Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Ito ngayong ating new penny guys ng UK. So mayroon itong short history. R1971 new penny coins valuable. This rare penny dates from 1971 when Britain switched from the old money of pounds, shillings, and pence to the new decimal system. The Royal Mint reports that 1,521,666,250 pieces na 1p coins were issued in 1971 to replace the old free decimal coinage that was being withdrawn. This is by far the highest annual mintage to 1p coins since decimalization. These newly introduced decimal penny coins were designed to look different of their predecessors to avoid confusion. The size was reduced from 30mm to 20.3mm, and the old Britannia reverse was swapped for a crown fortulus. The fortulus was once a heraldic symbol of House of Tudor, but is now closely associated with the UK Parliament. All early decimal pennies feature the words "New Penny" on the reverse, including 1971 dated coins. This was changed to 1 penny from 1982 onwards. In 2008, the fortulus reverse was exchanged for a segment of the Royal Shield of Arms, which itself was replaced in 2023 with the new definitive 1p design featuring a hazel dormouse. While it is still possible to find fortulus pennies in your change, they are becoming less common. This is because the Royal Mint withdraws old worn coinage in favor of newly struck pieces. Because of this, it can be difficult to hunt for early decimal pennies like the 1971 1p or 1 penny, but they are definitely still around. If you cannot track one down, you can purchase a 1971 penny a very reasonable price by filtering on eBay for coins that had already sold. We found that the buyers can pick up a 1971p coin for about €1, including postage. Rolls containing 50 uncirculated 1971 1p's are easily purchased for under €5. Ito yung kanyang features guys. Issuer United Kingdom or UK, British Overseas Territories and Crown Dependencies, Elizabeth II, 1952 until 2022. Type standard circulation coin. Year 1971 hanggang 1981. Value 1 penny. Dito sa Pilipinas guys, ang halaga nito ay 0.73 centavos. Ang currency naman ito guys ay pound sterling, decimalized 1971 ang kanyang date. Kanyang composition naman ay bronze, 97% ang copper, 2.5% ang zinc, 0.5% ang tin. At meron siyang timbang na 3.56 grams. Diameter naman ay 20.3 mm. Thickness 1.52 mm at ang shape naman ito ay round. So ang kanyang technique naman ay mild. Orientation, middle alignment. Number A number 665. Reference number KM number 915. SP number B1. Ito yung ating obverse guys, ang mukha ni Elizabeth II or second crown portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, the right facing, wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, legend around. Meron siyang script na Latin guys, at ang kanyang lettering Elizabeth II, DG, Rig, FD, 1974. Unbridged legend Elizabeth II, De Gratia Regina, Fidi, Dependsatrix. Translation: Elizabeth II by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. Designer si Arnold Machen. Ito yung ating reverse guys, a crown fortulus or fortulus with chin, an adaptation of the badge of Henry VII, with is now the badge of the Palace of Westminster and peace value. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering naman New Finney 1. Designer Christopher Ironside. Age Flynn. Mint, Royal Mint, Lantrisan, United Kingdom, 1968 ang kanyang date. Comments: although these coins were not issued until Decimalization Day on 15 of February 1971, when Elizabeth II struck 6 of the new pennies of the opening of the new Royal Mint in Lantrisan, Glamorgan on 17th of December 1968. Following that, the French Philip the Duke of Edinburgh struck 6 of the new half pennies, and Prince Charles, the Prince of Wales, struck 6 of the new 2 pence pieces. Christopher Ironside designed all the 6 new denominations for the decimalization, for which was awarded the OV in 1971. Tayo sa 1971 guys, dahil ang ginawa nito sa 1971 ay umabot ng 1,521,666,250 kapiraso. So 69% kanyang population. Meron siyang uncirculated na 62 pesos sa ating blue wallet, at ang ating fruit mayroon 350,000 kapiraso. Ito yung nagkakalaga ng 35 euros guys, 35,000 euros, na talaga namang maraming katanungan kung bakit nagkaroon siya ng 35,000 euros. At ito din yung type ng coins guys ng Finney na talaga namang napakataas ang kanyang value dito sa ating mga selling online sa eBay. So pwede kayong mag-research doon guys sa ating selling online sa eBay, dahil napakarami ang nag-display na katulad nito na talagang napakataas ang kanyang halaga. So yun guys, sa mga nakuha nating information guys dito sa ating selling online sa eBay at sa ating source of information sa anomista.com. God bless ating lahat.